Hi, I'm Greg, one half of Radford Homes, LLC. And my lovely and beautiful wife, Sabrina, well, you know the deal. She's the brains and the beauty behind the operation. But today, we're standing at one of our properties that we are currently rehabbing, remodeling, renovating, whatever you want to call it on this Friday. That's right, it's secured by ADT alarm in a rental. And I got my main man, Yankee Floors, who is taking care of me. And you're going to see some of his work that he's doing in here, folks. This guy surprised me and added so much value. I mean, I got to deal with him. I mean, he didn't do just square tile going in there. He did diagonal tiles. Well, his wife did most of it, okay? His wife, him and her has a husband and wife team, all right? And they're Yankee Floors. And the guy just walked through my camera lens with these trussels is Central Florida Texture and Painting. His name is John Atkins. He's taking care of me on all of my popcorn ceiling removal, all my texture and knockdown. He's taking care of everything in here for Sabrina. That's right, my lovely and beautiful wife. Sabrina has flipped over 5 homes this year. So ladies, guess what? If she can do it, so can you. We're gonna have an open house here. It is full now, next Saturday on the 18th, explaining how we do this. It's not very difficult, but at the same time, it can be. All right? This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath home in North Lakeland. Everything is fully remodeled. Everything. Brand new roof, brand new AC, brand new hot water heater, brand new cabinets, brand new flooring, brand new ceiling fan, brand new ceilings, brand new knockdown and textures, brand new bathroom with tile, not just regular tile, marble type tile, okay? It has a large backyard that is gated, all right? 6-foot high fence with beautiful crepe myrtles in the backyard. And John is getting ready to spray the brand new baseboard that's going in with the laminate hardwood floors. You can reach him at 863-651-8325, Central Florida Texture and Painting. We're getting ready to paint those baseboards, bring them outside and paint them up. And then we're gonna put them in. Yankee Floors. Also, you have a shed back here. Okay, we're gonna have to pressure wash that. As you can see, it's dirty. We gotta pressure wash it and paint it, but that's no problem. All right, if you wanna reach me, you can reach me directly at 863-410-0877. All right, and as you can see, all of my contractors are here. Curtis Henry and Company, Yankee Style Floors, okay? Good Low Handyman Service, Radford Homes again, and Central Florida Texture and Painting. So you got all of their numbers. If you need them, give them a call. It's Yankee and his team. Look at the landscape. My main man, Jay, is out here taking care of me on the landscape. Tell him what's up, Jay. Jay took care of the flowers and stuff. Trying to get, the curve appeal. Got a little palm tree at the end down there. All right, let's take a look in the inside. All right. This, my friends, is a 4-bedroom, 1.5 bath. 1 full bath and another half bath in the master bedroom. As you can see, the laminate hardwood floors are down. As you can see, the ceiling fans are up. The texture on the wall used to be popcorn ceiling, and we know that that is old and outdated, so we got rid of that. Brand new ceiling fans we just brought today from Lowe's. Okay, look at the lighting, folks. Flat LED ceiling lights throughout the entire home. All the walls have been textured with a knockdown texture. We're gonna have 5.5-inch baseboards going around. That's what he's getting ready to paint outside. Yankee floors, just look at the new toilets. Brand new toilets, okay? This is a rental property, all right? 4-bedroom. Look at them floors, the Yankee floors just did with the diamond shaped pattern. Oh yeah. Right there's where the cabinet's gonna go, okay? Stove and all that good stuff. Refrigerator's gonna be going right in there. All right. If you need to reach us, you can reach me and my wife. We are husband and wife team, Radford Homes LLC. We can tell you exactly what we do and how we move. Also, we salute all veterans. Why do I say that? Well, I spent 23 years in the United States Army from 1990 to 2013. So if you want to say I got a special place in my heart for veterans, that might be accurate. All right, we also got a ceiling fan right here in the dining room area as well with the LED flat lights, flat ceiling lights. All right. Brand new stove, dishwasher, refrigerator, microwave. If you look at Radford Homes Facebook or Gregory Radford, Greg Rad Facebook, you'll see all the new stuff that we're buying. All right. Let's take a look in the bathroom. Now here's what y'all, check this out. Look what we're doing in this bathroom. Oh yeah. You see that red stuff on the wall? Well, that stop all the moisture and all that good stuff. But look at the tile. We went with a single valve knob right here. It used to have two, a hot and cold, but by code, you have to have a single valve so nobody don't get scalded. So everything in here is up to code. Look at the tile. Got the windowsill, but look at this design. This right here is glass tile right here for when you have your soap dish. Yankee made an indenture here, and wait till he finish this, man. It is nice. And look at the texture. Most people knock down the ceiling, right? But we knock down the whole entire home. Most of the time, they just put what you call orange peel on the wall, okay? And we like the way the knockdown looks. It has an aesthetic, beautiful look, texture. It looks good. I like it. So it's a little bit more pricier than spraying orange peel. All right, let me turn that back around. So, okay, we got our electrician here. As you can see, he's hanging up our ceiling fans. All right, every room has a brand new ceiling fan we just brought from Home Depot today. Okay, as you can see, they got our hardwood floors here. And if you need to reach us, you can reach us at 863-410-0877. Oh, follow us on all our social media. Okay? And we accept Section 8 all day long. Most people don't, but we do. On our closets here. Now, most people don't put knockdown and texture in the closets, but guess what? John Atkins of Central Florida Texture and Paint, he did. He put texture throughout this whole entire house. In the closets, on the walls, on the ceilings. And the ceilings are painted beautiful white. All right, check this out, folks. This is our second bathroom here. We're gonna do diagonal shaped tile on the floors. Brand new toilets, as you seen when I came in. We got some beautiful fixtures that we ordered from Home Depot. You can see that on my Facebook feed. If you go back to my Facebook page, you'll see all of that. All right, it's gonna be nice in here. Beautiful walls, textured, knockdown. Ceiling fans in the bedroom, brand new, with 4 light fixtures. Excuse me. Also, you could text us direct at 931-241-9714. My wife Sabrina. Oh, all brand new doors. Every door in this house is brand new, straight from Home Depot. I don't think there's nothing in this house the same. I mean, I don't think there's nothing in here the same. Ceiling fan, getting ready to go up right there. Also, we got a 4th bedroom as well. I can't walk over that tile. They just grouted the tile today. So I'm gonna have to go around the other side. So let's take a walk outside. Oh, look at this, folks. That's right. State of the art, up to date, brand new alarm, goes to the fire department, the police, the whole 9 yards. In a rental property. You know how you got the front part of this is called fascia on the roof. And up under here is the soffits. You see, we put brand new soffits up under there. And then we got a brand new roof going on as well. We painted the exterior, okay? It's gated. All right, we got Central Florida Texture and Painting. They about to go out there and paint those baseboards.
You at the house?
Baseboards are getting painted. Nice backyard, folks. See the soffit? We're installing the soffit, you can see right there. And the fascia. All right, look, you get a close up on these floors. Yankee told me make sure I don't step on his floors. This is the 4th bedroom right here, folks. This used to be a garage, a carport. And the previous owner closed it in and made it a den. And we decided to add value. And we decided it would serve a better purpose as a room. So guess what? We framed it up and we made it a room. And put a closet in it. Because it's not a room if you don't have a closet. We did the knockdown, took down the popcorn ceiling. And voila, we even got the floors in here. We got some backsplash here.
Hey, Abel, she's there. What time are you gonna get there?
Yankee Style didn't like this backsplash, so we went to Florida Core and got some new backsplash.
You want to get them all?
Where's the new backsplash?
No, we're coming. Okay,
you can't step on Yankee floors?
Yeah, I can. Yeah, just
He's stepping on Yankee floors, y'all.
should be this. Should open up
He
for
said
you.
yes, he can.
So you can take a look at it. Go over that fence. All right. So just give me a call by time.
Hey, you scraping up my walls. Look at that. Just scraping up my walls. Okay. I mean, come on, man. Well, he's the painter, so guess what? He's going to come back and touch it up. All right, folks. I'm Greg, one half of Radford Homes, LLC. And my lovely and beautiful wife, Sabrina, well, you know the deal. She's the brains and the beauty behind this operation. And we cannot do this alone. Hey, Kevin, that ceiling fan is wobbling right there. And we can't have that. So we need to fix that. All right, folks. Salute all veterans.